Did the pandemic put an end to your career? Left you wondering how to feed your children and pay the bills? Even when you had a great job, you were living paycheck to paycheck. Now you're overwhelmed with credit card debt, student loans, and doctor bills. The weight of it all is too much to handle. You've wasted month after month filling out job applications and attending interviews on Zoom, all to no avail. Finally, it hits you. Now is the perfect time to start a business online. It had always been your dream. However, after sinking your life savings into many ventures, you discover making money online is harder than you had imagined. You now feel like pulling your hair out and throwing in the towel. Stop! Check out our business opportunity. Many others have been feeling down and out until they discovered our system. Now they're earning money at home while enjoying quality time with their families. It's the best. When you choose our business model, you won't be required to beg friends and family to sign up in order to meet your financial goals. Instead, it's packed with step-by-step video training and the software you need to get your company up and running. All walks of life are welcome. We do not discriminate. Don't delay. Start your digital business today and erase the burdens that cause stress in your life. Check out our offer. Kick the tires. If it's a good fit for you, continue with our system and learn how to build your financial empire. We have programs in place designed to teach you how to earn while you learn. An internet connection is required for this home-based business. However, some of the workflow may be completed offline. Join our community of successful entrepreneurs. You'll be mentored by a down-to-earth internet marketing expert who cares about your success. Don't expect financial stability to materialize overnight. You must dedicate time and energy into your digital marketing business. Implement the training. If you're interested and want to learn more, contact us. We are looking forward to hearing from you.